Good morning, everyone. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So in today's video, I'm sure you've probably seen a lot of things on the internet right now with the car rental business, and most especially with Turo. So the topic today is renting out your car a good idea? Now, before we jump right in, I just want to give you a brief disclaimer. I am not a tax professional. I am not a financial advisor. I am not an investment planner. I am just a regular guy here, just sharing content with my subscribers, and that's pretty much it. So now that we have that out of the way, let's jump right in. So why is it really a good idea to rent your car out on Turo or any of the other, car renting platforms? Well, if you've been following things with the economy right now, during the health crisis, you had most of the big car rental businesses were having difficulties because people weren't traveling anymore, and most of them had to, pretty much go into bankruptcy. And as part of the bankruptcy filing, they had to get rid of some of their assets, and these assets are mostly cars. So they ended up selling off most of those cars. Fast forward 2021, things are getting back to normal, and unfortunately there aren't enough cars to meet the demand for travelers, people traveling to Hawaii, to Florida, traveling all over the United States and abroad as well. So now you have a crunch. The car companies, the car rental companies don't have enough cars to meet demand. And as a result of that, companies like Turo are now filling the gap. Now, so what is Turo? Now, Turo is a car rental platform, just like Airbnb is for homes, where if you have a car, you can list the car on Turo, and then a guest or a renter can book your car and drive your car for a day, for a couple days, for a week, whatever the term is that the renter wants the vehicle for. And in return, you get compensated. Now you might be saying, well, what about insurance? What happens to my car when someone rents my car? So Turo has different insurance plans. So there's the 60-40 plan, there's the 70-30 plan, which is changing very soon to a 75-25 plan, because Turo, as an incentive for its host, has bumped up most of those earnings for the host. So as of the recording of this video, I know I said 70-30, but by the time you watch this, it might be 75-25. Now, if you're on the 80-20 plan, you will now get 85-15. So now what that means is, let's say you're charging $100 a day booking for your vehicle. So if you're on the 60-40 plan, that means Turo keeps 40% and you get 60%. If you're on the 70-30 plan, same thing. Turo keeps 30% and you keep 70%. Now, that basically goes towards your insurance. So you're basically paying Turo for insuring your vehicle while someone is renting your vehicle. So the 30%, so let's assume you're on the 70-30 plan, the 30% that Turo gets, part of that money goes into providing you insurance coverage on your vehicle while someone's renting it. And then the rest goes to Turo's fees and all that stuff. So that's basically the logistics. Now, there are other ways for you to earn money with Turo. So there are extras. So you can charge people extras for cleaning or extras for, fueling. You can also make money through deliveries. So if you want to deliver the vehicle to your guest, you can actually charge for that fee. So for instance, if there's an airport, in your town or your city, and you want to deliver vehicles to the airport, you can set it in the app and charge people for the delivery fee. All right, so is renting out your car a good idea? Well, just like everything else in life, no risk, no reward. Now, with the way things are going right now, people who are smart are capitalizing on this opportunity, because it is an opportunity, to cash in on the trend, on what's going on right now. So, in my opinion, I think, this is just my opinion, I think it is a great idea if you don't have sentimental attachment to your vehicle. Because don't forget, when you rent your car out to people are going to treat your vehicle like it's a rental car. So they will not take care of the vehicle like you will take care of the vehicle. Some guests are great. They'll bring your vehicle back clean with no damages, and that's about it. Nice and easy. However, there's going to be situations where your guest might get into an accident, or they might trash your car, because people, believe it or not, people can be very funny at times. Okay, I really don't understand how somebody can borrow or rent a car from an individual and trash the vehicle. So you have to be mindful that there are elements in society that don't have any value for their lives, or value for other people's property or properties. So you have to be cognizant of that. However, if you treat it as a business, all right, then it makes sense for you to rent your car out on Turo, because you will stand to make money. However, it depends on how you acquire the vehicle. So there are different ways. So let's say you have a vehicle that it's paid off, you don't have any liens or any loans on it, then it might make sense for you to list that vehicle. However, Turo does have guidelines on the age of vehicles, on the mileage of the vehicles, and certain things that you need to be aware of before listing a vehicle on Turo. If your vehicle has a recall, that might be a problem. So you want to make sure that before you list the vehicle or decide to list your vehicle on Turo, in this example I'm talking about Turo, that you do your research to make sure that this vehicle does not have an open recall, because if it has an open recall, you will not be able to list this vehicle on Turo. So let's just summarize. So is it still a good idea to rent your vehicle on Turo? Personally, I think it is. In my situation, I have 2 vehicles rented on Turo. I have a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta, which that car is phenomenal. It's just out on rentals. And then I also added a 2015 Toyota RAV4. It's a subcompact SUV, and that's been renting too. So my stats for July, I'm fully booked for July on both vehicles. All right. So, and I'm in the process of adding a 3rd vehicle to my fleet. Now, I just started June 1st, and today is July 11th or 10th. I don't know. I lost track of time. So I think today's July 11th. Anyways, so if you don't mind people using your vehicle, if you don't mind, renting your vehicle out to the public, then it's a great idea. Because guess what? I saw statistics that said, 85 to 90% of the time, your car is sitting in the driveway. So it's either sitting in your driveway or in the parking lot, because, you get home, you park the car, you go in, you drive to work, you park your car, you go shopping, the car is parked, and most times the car is just parked in your driveway. So why not turn a liability? Because a car is a liability, because you have to pay for insurance, you have to pay for servicing, you have to pay for fix-ups, you have to pay all this stuff. So you're constantly sinking money into your vehicle, which is why it's a liability. So why not turn that liability into an asset, making money for you? which is why renting your car out is a great idea. For some people, for most people, it might not be. So it's up to you what your threshold is for, you know, allowing people to use your vehicle. So like I said, things will happen to the vehicle. People get into accidents. People trash your car. They'll bring your car back without gas. They'll smoke in your vehicle. However, there are things in place whereby if someone smokes in your vehicle, you will be compensated for the cleanup. So not to worry about that. So I hope you found value in this video, and as usual, you know, thank you very much for being here. This is just a brief, you know, snapshot on renting your car out on a platform such as Turo. Like I said, anything I'm showing you or I'm talking about in my videos, I am already doing. So I started my car rental business as well, you know, just testing things out with the 2 vehicles, and so far, knock on wood, you know, my renters have been great. Things are going smoothly, but I know eventually something's gonna happen. But as long as you're prepared, as long as you have the right mindset. So if you haven't watched my other video, go, you know, make sure you check my channel where I talked about your mindset. So your mindset dictates how you react to situations, okay? So life happens, things happen, but it's how you react, it's how you handle the adversity, the challenges that will make you a stronger person. So thank you so much for being here again today. And I'm sorry this video is a little bit longer than my usual videos, but I just felt I wanted to, you know, give my 2 cents on this topic, because I know it's a very hot topic right now, and you just have to do your due diligence and make sure that this is the right business or right fit for you, okay? So thank you so much. Have a nice day, and make sure you watch the next video coming up. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and also hit that notification bell, and remember to leave comments for me, because I really value your comments. I value your inputs and feedback. This gives me more ideas and motivation to make more videos, okay? So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.